welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today we have a mouth-watering recipe that will surely tantalize your taste buds. We're going to prepare a delicious beef and cheese tortilla bake, an incredible combination of flavors and textures that will leave you wanting more. So let's get started. In a large pan over medium heat, drizzle some oil and add grated onions right in. Let them sizzle and transform into delicious caramelized goodness. Once the onions are beautifully golden, it's time to add the minced beef. Spread the beef evenly in the pan, letting it brown and release its rich flavors. Now, season it generously with salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Cover the pan and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. Once the meat is cooked to perfection, transfer it to a plate and set it aside for a moment. But don't worry, we're not done yet. Drizzle a bit more oil in the pan, ensuring a non-stick surface. Place one of the flour tortillas right in. Now put the meat back over the tortilla. With the help of a spatula, evenly spread the cooked meat on top. In a large mixing bowl, crack 6 eggs and add heavy cooking cream. Season with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and chili flakes for that subtle kick. Whisk everything together until it becomes a smooth, creamy mixture. Now, it's time to introduce some vibrant colors and additional flavors. Add in the finely diced green and red bell peppers, and for that extra cheesiness, half of the cheddar cheese. Mix everything together with a spatula until the ingredients are well incorporated. Pour this delightful mixture over the meat in the pan, making sure to spread it evenly. Our tortilla bake is beginning to take shape and showcase a variety of delicious layers. Now, carefully place the second tortilla on top, sealing in all those incredible flavors. It's like creating a tasty sandwich with each layer bringing its own unique contribution. It's time to embrace the cheesiness once again. Sprinkle the remaining cheddar cheese generously over the top, ensuring that every bite is filled with gooey goodness. And for that final touch, a sprinkle of dried thyme, adding a touch of aromatic charm. Now, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and carefully place your masterpiece inside. Let it bake for around 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully golden and bubbly. And just look at this beauty. Our beef and cheese tortilla bake is now ready to be enjoyed. The cheese has melted to perfection, the flavors have melded together, and it's time to dig in. Slice it into generous portions, savoring every layer, every bite. The crispy tortillas, the juicy ground beef, the creamy and cheesy goodness that envelopes it all. So, why not give it a try? Gather your ingredients, follow the steps, and let your taste buds embark on a delightful journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!